Every winter, grannies all over the world give their grandchildren warm, beautiful sweaters like this. But you never wear them, even though you know it would make us so happy. Well, now you have no more excuses, because February the 9th is National Sweater Day. That's when the WWF asks all Canadians to be a dear, turn down the heat, and put on that sweater. But we know that some of you might forget. That's why we've got dozens of grannies standing by to call you up and remind you. Choose from a wide selection of grandmas, nannies, omas, gammies, and boobies. When I heard about the climate change, I thought, this is terrible news. If only more people would wear the sweaters that their grandmothers bought them, we could all turn down the heat a little and save some energy.
I'm not hanging up until you put on that sweater.
Molto importante. WWF.
They're celebrating Lower the Heat Day.
If you don't wear a sweater, you will get sick.
Oh, stop being so ornery and just wear the sweater.
To sign up for a real-life call, just go to our website on the internet. Then pick a granny that reminds you of your own. Or you can sign up a friend without telling them. Because we want to get as many people as possible to put on a warm, cozy sweater. You look so attractive and so well put together. Turn down the heat on National Sweater Day. Yes?